I could do this one. Never had a range before. Or this one. Dang, y'all ain't gonna wash them? Do you guys have the bowls here? The red bowls?
The what?
The red bowls? Period. Got my car and all of that. Clock it. Ooh, look at my car, guys. Okay. This is cute. Cute, 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 cute. This one right here is my favorite. Welcome back to my vlog, y'all. So I basically just bought a Rolls Royce. I mean, what whore you guys know drive around in a Rolls Royce? I don't fucking know, bitch. Not you. I definitely need a ring light. I'm just all up close and personal. Cause period, I need to stop smoking. Like, I don't even know if it's a fucking smoking restriction, but bitch, I need to smoke. Dad, I need to smoke. You're not my mom. And some of my coworkers be pissing me off on a dead low. Bitch, stop hating, no. Period. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Yeah, Rex. You can choose. Guys, I am getting old. Like, I cannot believe it. I actually just was finna cry right now thinking about it. I'm even talking about it. I don't even think I could talk about it. Child, 28 is diabolical. Next year, actually in Ethiopia, I'm like fucking 21. And I think that's about accurate because that's how I be feeling sometimes. I'm finna go move there and go be 21, my real age. Oh, I can't. I can't, ho.
Hello. Oh, stalking ass biatch. This one nigga. Wait, see, look at me. I'll be doing too much, but like, do you see my face? Hey, stop playing with that girl. Hey, stop playing with that girl. Period. Grown and sexy vibes. I need some more. Because I'm looking real fine. And I'm looking like a yeah. My man. My God, then I've been giving away a whole bunch of shit. Like, my style is wild. Like, I can't believe I even had an orange sweater. I mean.
And if y'all didn't know, I love giving away shit. Like, okay, y'all. So, I literally have a lot of stuff to, like, unpack. So, I'm still on a blow-up bed. It's only been 2 days since I've been on a down air mattress. I'm really, like, starting over. Like, I brought my TV. I really don't watch TV, but, like, that TV still works. So, I'm like, bruh, I'm finna bring the TV. I'm not finna just leave that. They already got a lot of nice stuff if they want to keep what I left in the apartment, you know? I don't know, y'all, just been in this, like, era, like, I'm falling in love with myself, you know? No filter, you know what I'm saying? I'm always filtered up, but I'm on a self-care journey. I'm really excited. Okay, I decided I'm gonna leave all of this junk. Okay. Ooh, I am not gonna miss living here, child. Okay, yeah, fuck it up. I decided to leave that bed here. I mean, at that place, my last apartment, because that bed is worse than the Diddy bed, bitch. Like, you know what I'm saying? I used to have Diddy parties, okay? Like, girl, that bed had to stay there. And then it's just me ranting and raving, looking a mess, looking stressed. Okay, been cleaning all that shit out of my house and all that. I definitely am not doing like a move in, no. My space is secret. You know what I'm saying? Some of y'all is lucky y'all got to see me post my low key and then I archived it. Cause I'm like, No. Okay. Also, not too much on my fucking hair because I be doing my own hair. And I know my shit be looking crazy sometimes. But my hair, I don't even want to get into that. I'm also in a movie. Hopefully, I continue to work with them because I really like them. I like the energy. I like the vibes. Real work. It's like real hard work. It's new experiences. It's something that I feel like I manifested. So I hope I continue to work with. But if not, on to bigger and better. So y'all, we're on set.
Yo, what are your transitions?
Yo, y'all make me so happy when I see you guys. I am better.
Period.
The vlog.
Hey, the vlog. Welcome back to my channel, y'all.
Hey, we outside.
We out here.
Nah, but it got that feel, don't it? Okay, cool.
Action. We out. Cut. Go.
Crew right now. Hold on.
All right, y'all. What we doing Friday night in Palm Springs? I want something lit but classy-ish.
Please don't say dinner with matching dresses again. I need chaos.
We already doing the pool parties.
Hold on. That's the bride. That's them calling right now.
One more time. I want to get that.
Oh, Fee, I'm kicking your ass.
Pool party it is. Somebody bring icy hot and ibuprofen.
And I'm already packed, boo. But look, I got a couple of friends that's gonna come through with me.
Working. Everybody's just setting up now, y'all. Period. Big views. Woo woo. Setting this up.
Spread them out.
Period.
All right.
Ooh, too much footage right there. Just us going up the stairs, guys.
Right here we have our.
Yeah.
That's right. It's like your business.
Oh my god, I always wanted to try this, y'all. So yeah, I've been wanting to try new things, guys, and that's what I've been trying to do with my life. But this place right here, it was cool. I only tried that little hot Cheeto shit. I really didn't like it. But yeah, it looks good, you know? But anyways, I'm just looking around, boo ba bam. Then I went to Subway because I was starving, like, you know what I'm saying? Y'all seen our sandwich, tuna with all the vegetables and cheese and all of that good stuff. Yeah, I had got my nails done before I went up in there. So that's me showing y'all, bam, pay for that sandwich with my EBT card. This her just cleaning my feet. First of all, that wasn't all dead skin right there. That was some shit she put on my feet. So yeah, just for the record, horror. Anywho, I had to get that extra shit because if you know, you know. I be working a lot, you know what I'm saying? Feet be hurting, legs be hurting, you know? So yeah, this is just me getting a little massage. They're a little ghetto up in there, but they do an okay job. Like, they not the worst, they not the best. They get the job done. They actually do it really nice to me for it to be a ghetto place. But then this is me at home, decided to drink, and that shit was nasty, I ain't gonna lie. I had mixed it with that, and that's not even a good combination. This is me just showing y'all my new snacks. Yeah, this was months ago, around Christmas. I just had to add some more footage in there, you know? Because I'll be just doing footage, having footage, recording footage, and I don't be posting it. So I was just showing y'all my chocolate. Yeah, those is good. Ooh, I love these ice cream, y'all. Like, I actually did a video, but I don't like it because I didn't like my hair. So I didn't post it, of me trying those ice creams. And they're really good. Yeah. Which one's is cuter, y'all? Like, for real. So y'all, these are so good. I've been just stuffing my face with these. They finally got the chocolate ones. Like, the chocolate ones be selling out quick as fuck. So I bought 2 yesterday and 2 today. I'm gonna fuck them up. These is fire. I don't care what nobody say. These are the best. Lunchable, of course. This, I've been drinking this for months now. Like, I need to help me. Trying to switch it up. Got this played out. And some chocolates. I need a car. This walking is not for me. I need a car so I can go far. Alright, y'all, need some lashes because your girl looking rough. Ooh, hot as a bitch. The sun is beaming on the player. Can't wait to move up out of here, y'all. Let's see what they talking about.
Okay, this smells really good, but this is what it has in it. Okay, can't wait to try it. I'm gonna put it in there for later.
And I think I read up on these, and I think they help with stress. But this is like a multivitamin, everyday gummies or whatever. Like, yeah. And of course, these, period. Like, so far, I only drank 1 time this year, liquor. I'm doing pretty good. Today is the 13th, I think. So yeah, that's all the little cleansing shit I got right now, recently. Oh wait, no, my vitamin. And of course the chlorophene, y'all. I gotta get the box. I think this time I'm gonna buy like the big one that come with everything in it. But yeah, y'all need to stop sleeping on the chlorophene. Period. In that slippery box. Well, this one, oh my god, did I? Okay, yeah, I took that one. No, this is not the slippery box. This is just a probiotic, I think. Yeah, because it says banana pH, odor control, relieve hormones. That's interesting. I thought this was a slippery box. I guess my shit just be slippery on its own. Teeth whitening strips, had to restock. I've been using these for a few months now, since last year, and I just love them. Y'all, about this, I think I'm gonna try the detox liver in my little cup. I can't wait to use it. So cute. Badass dog. I swear I can't make it up. Badass fucking dog. So y'all got some move some stuff. Period. Try not to get the address. And let's see what that is.
Don't pull up with that bill money, but I am not him. A bitch can't get shit from me. I'm winning. You ain't ballin', you losing. Big mad, she with you, but she choosing. 10 bands, 20 bands.
This is so cute. Like, I'm literally gonna just waste my money if I buy it. So cute.
There you go. You know I had it for you. Thank you, City.
Where's your guys' cameras
You know
at?
that's my handle.
Camera?
Yeah.
On the next one.
The next one. Thank you.
I'll make it. I gotta make it.
Okay.
I'll take it. I gotta take it to the register.
Okay, I found a little baggie. I'm gonna put my hygiene in here so it won't just be all scattered. I got my little eye patches. 2 left. Yeah, think of it all. They're so cute.